In exercise 2D, question is the masses x kilogram of 12 subjects are such that, so we have 12 subjects, such that x bar, the mean is 0.475. Find the value of sigma 1000x and state, yes, I didn't get objects, 12 objects, no objects. So the number of objects is 12 and the mean is 0.475. We have to find the value of sigma 1000x. Okay, and it is in kilogram. This here x represents the objects in kilogram because here this unit is also important to say the detail about 1000x. Okay, so the mean value is 0.475. It is mentioned here. Okay, in this case, and when you are taking our required part, here we have a coefficient for x. It looks like ax. Like a number is multiplied with x. Yeah, our actual value is x. X is multiplied with 1000. Okay. So what they are asking is we want sigma h. So with this one, can you frame the formula for mean? 1 by 1000. Very good. So here 1000 is the coded value. So that to be divided by. And that is given as 0.475. Because however you find the mean, that is same. Actually this mean stands for sigma x by n. So in this question, sigma x by n is same as sigma 1000 x by n into 1 by 1000. Remember, sigma x minus b by n to be added with b and multiplied by 1 by a. 1 by a. So instead of a, you have 1000 here. That's why 1 by 1000 we have to use here. Okay. So that now what you need to do is you have to make sigma 1000 x as the subject. So to make sigma 1000 x as a subject, you know the value of n as 12. Yes. So cross multiply 1000 and 12 to right side. So we get sigma 1000 x is equal to 0.475 into 12 into 1000. That's equal to, multiply it and tell me what is the answer. 5700 as sigma 1000x. Now can you say what is this sigma 1000x represents? You know 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. 1 kilogram. That's what I said. Kilogram is important here. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So 2 kilograms, 2000 grams. 10 kilograms, 10,000 grams. So x kilograms, 1000 x grams. Okay. So sum of x kilograms is sum of 1000 into x grams. So sigma 1000 x represent the total mass in grams. Sigma x, in this question, sigma x represents total mass, but in kilograms. In kilograms, sigma x, when you take sigma x, that represents total mass in kilograms because x is in kilograms. Okay, and sigma 1000x represents also total mass, but that is represented in grams. Okay, so that is meant by coded here. And when you look at the next question, what is our next question? The total mass of gold extracted from a mine is denoted by sigma x. So sigma x represents total mass, which is in grams, which is in grams. Find an expression in x for the total mass in carats. We want the question in carats. Given that 1 carat is equivalent to 200 milligrams. So the first question, we want the total mass in carats. Okay, so how do you find the answer for that? Just think. 1 carat is 2000 milligrams. We want to express sigma x in the form of something carats. You know that, uh, yes, you know that 200 milligram is 1 carat. If I multiply a 5 on both sides, if I multiply 5 on both sides, we get 5 into 200 is 1000 milligrams is 5. Okay, that means what we get? 1000 milligram is same as 1 gram. That's equal to 5 carat. So 1 gram represents 5 carats. So x grams represents 5 into x carats. So sigma x grams represents sigma 5x carats. Will be the answer. Yes. Oh. Why? Because your total mass is given in grams, and the unit for 1 carat is equal to 200 milligram. So you have to change this milligram to gram because your question is with the grams, like by multiplying 5. So here also, what change you make here, here also you have to make that change. So we get 1000 milligram. 1000 milligram is same as 1 gram. That's equal to 1 into 5, 5 carat. So 1 gram is 5 carat. We want x grams. And if it is x grams, multiply x on both sides. So we get x grams is 5x carats. We want sigma x grams. So apply sigma x on both sides. So sigma x grams is equal to sigma 5x carats. This is a similar thing you have to do for the next question also. As next question, we need to express it in kilograms, not in carats. We need to express it in kilograms. Ah, you know, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Is it? So 1 gram is equal to 1 over 1000 kilogram. That is 1 gram is equal to 1 over 1000 means 0.001 kilogram. So 1 gram is 0.001 kilogram. We want x grams. So x grams is equal to 0.001 x kilograms. We want sigma x grams. Uh, So we get sigma x grams is equivalent to sigma 0.001 x kilograms as a result. Got an idea what you have to do there? See, when you look at the next question, that also in the similar type. The area of land used for growing wheat in a region is denoted by sigma W hectares. And they have mentioned that find an expression in W for the total area in square kilometers. We want expression in square kilometers. So in square kilometers, what is the corresponding expression? In hectares, your expression is sigma W. In square kilometer, what is that? For that, we must know what is 1 hectare. 1 hectare is equivalent to 1 hectare is equivalent to 10,000 meters square. But 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. We don't want meter square, we want kilometer square. 1 second. Okay, okay. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square is given. Yes. So how do you change meter square to kilometer square? That unit conversion you need to understand here. So 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Is it true? Yes. So we get how much? 5060. Meter square is equal to 1 kilometer square. Okay, but you want only 10,000 meter square. You want only 10,000 meter square in your question. So you can put only 10,000 meter square here and remaining values to be taken to right side. That means 100 to be taken to right side because this is a value meant for 10,000 multiplied by 100 meter square. That's equal to 1 kilometer square. So we get 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 by 100 kilometer square. And you know 10,000 meter square is mentioned as 1 hectare. Okay, here itself we can do now. So I'm erasing this one now. That means 10,000 meter square represents 1 hectare. So we get 1 hectare is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 0.01 kilometer square. Is it? Because 10,000 meter square is equivalent to 1 hectare. So we changed this 10,000 meter square to 1 hectare is equal to 1 by 100 kilometer square. 1 by 100 is 0.01 kilometer square. We don't want 1 hectare, we want W hectares. So multiply W on both sides. We get W hectares is equal to 0.01 W kilometer square. Apply sigma on both sides. We get sigma W in hectares is equal to sigma 0.01 W in kilometer square. As answer. Got that change? Okay. Let's move to the next question. The next question, speeds measured in meter per second. Speeds measured in meter per second. This is a direct question, I can say. So this question is related to speed, which is measured in meter per second. That is denoted by x. Find the constant k such that kx denotes the speed in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour, no? Yes. So the question is the representation of speed in two ways. One is with meter per second and the other one is kilometer per hour. Okay. So here, if you are able to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, you get this answer automatically. You get this answer automatically if you are able to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay. So meter per second. Okay, let's take kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer per hour. Can you say 1 kilometer per hour is how many meter per second? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters divided by 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? 1 hour, 3600 seconds. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. That 60 minutes can be converted as 60 into 60 seconds. That is 3600 seconds. That is 5 by 18 meter per second. This is enough. 5 by 18 is enough. Normally we use it's enough. So 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay. Okay. Now, so that means 5 by 18 meter per second is 1 kilometer per hour. I don't want 5 by 18 meter per second. I want just 1 meter per second. Because here the task is what is given, you make it subject as 1. Its unit as 1. So I want only 1 meter per second. For that, what we will do? Take this one to right side. So it becomes 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. But we don't have 1 meter per second, we have x meter per second. So x meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 x kilometer per hour. So now your answer is ready. It's over. Now you look at what is given speed in kilometer per hour. Speed in kilometer per hour is given as kx. Speed in kilometer per hour is given as kx. Now compare these two. This is the speed in kilometer per hour we found using our calculation. But in question they have given it as kx. So can you guess what is the value of k? 18 by 5 because k is the coefficient of x and here the coefficient of x is 18 by 5. So we get k is equal to 18 by 5 as answer. which is something what you said now, 3.18 divided by 5, 3.6 as answer. Okay. Now, when you check the next question, question number 5, the wind speeds x miles per hour. The wind speed is x miles per hour. mph were measured at a coastal location at midday in 40 consecutive days and presented in the following table. A table is prepared there. Abel wishes to calculate an estimate of the mean wind speed in kilometer per hour. He knows that a distance of 5 miles is approximately equal to 8 kilometers. 5 miles is approximately equal to 8 kilometers. Okay, this is not that only Abel knows. This is a common measurement. 1 mile is equal to 8 by 5 kilometer, which is approximately 1.66 kilometer, 1 mile. Okay, explain how Abel can calculate this his estimate without converting the given boundary values from miles per hour to kilometer per hour. So normally what we do is we do change every miles per hour to kilometer per hour. That's a normal thing we do. Okay. So instead of doing that for everything, how can you find the estimate? No, just what we need to do is we find the mean directly by giving the information. Like the given information is 15 to 17. 15 to 17 is, oh, is 17 less than or equal to x less than 20? Then 20 less than or equal to x less than 24, and 24 less than or equal to x less than 25, with frequencies 9, 13, 14, 4. So to find mean, we use x, which is the mid value. Yes, mid value of this is 15. No? 15 to 17 is 16. Mid value of 17 to 20, 18.5. 20 to 24, 22. 24 to 25, 24.5. And now what we have to do to find the mean? Fx, multiply fx. Multiply first 2 and tell me the answer. Multiply f into x and tell me the answer. 144. Next, 240.5, 308, and 198. Now your task is to find sigma fx and sigma f. Because to find the mean, we need both of those values. Sigma f 40, sigma fx 790.5. Therefore, mean is equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. That is 790.5 divided by 40. 19.7625. It is in miles per hour. It is in miles per hour. Now what we need to do is change it into kilometer per hour, because we want to convert it into kilometer per hour. For that, let's use this one. 5 miles is equivalent to 8 kilometer. So what about 1 mile? 8 by 5 kilometer. So 1 mile is 8 by 5 kilometer approximately. Okay. Therefore, 19.76 miles per hour, 8 by 5 into 19.76 kilometer per hour. What is the answer? 31.61 after 1, 61 kilometer per hour. That means instead of doing the miles per hour, conversion of miles per hour to kilometer per hour in every table, we can do that in final answer. Find the mean, find the average, and then we can find the answer for that. What's the time? 2:41. Okay, we'll continue in the next class the remaining problems. Okay, thank you.